Rolling. I keep forgetting the name. Tom, what was the name? Rolling by Limp Bizkit.
Alright, partner. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is.
We've got Tritons. We've got 2 Tritons. We've got 1 BT50, but today we're going to follow this Triton. We're doing a follow along, a ride along. Riding along with cops is a lot more fun than riding along with me, but you're going to have to make do because that's all you get, all right? Christmas came early this year and it was a all right. So, MV Triton. Today we're getting a tow bar fitted to this one. We're going to get the tailgate central locking fitted. We're actually at the moment fitting a central locking kit from our lovely partners at HSP. That's Holden Special Parts, even though they don't want you to know that. I've spilled the beans on them. But yeah, HSP do this tailgate central locking kit for the new MV Triton. It's a really lovely kit, sort of fits on, nice plug and play harness, premium kit. So that's going to allow the customer understandably to lock their tailgate without actually having to put the key in there. Convenience is king, as they say. We're also getting an electric roller shutter that's going to go on this one. That's going to be one of our Oztrax, our own Oz Canopies 4x4 electric roller shutter. So that's going to come up real nice, as it always does. And then also the tow bar, I don't know if I mentioned that. Okay, so there's a funny thing about the MV Triton tow bars with the new model. Actually, a lot of the new vehicles now have this. They've got sort of the emergency brake in the rear when you're reversing. Something that was introduced a handful of years ago. I believe it was Mazda who first introduced it, actually, on their sort of 2017 odd sort of forward models. Anyway, but basically the new Mitsubishi Triton has an emergency braking system that's it partners with the sensors that are on the bar. And if you sort of fit a traditional wiring harness, what ends up happening is that when you've got the trailer affixed, the car understandably thinks that, oh, you're about to have some kind of an accident, etc., right? And then it will constantly apply the brake and then just make it difficult to reverse. Well, actually make it impossible to reverse. So there's 2 ways to go about this. Oz Canopies, we're all about options. So if you want sort of like the basic tow bar kit fitted, you can get away with it for about $990 odd fitted. Now that uses the traditional harness, but what you have to do is go through the menu in the car, through the infotainment, and turn off that safety braking system. Or we do now have a plug and play harness available from our lovely partners at Tag that uses something known as a reed switch, which is a magnetic strip that can detect when something is open or closed to deactivate that system when the trailer is plugged in. Now that'll balloon the price up to around that $1,400 odd mark fitted, which is still a very, very competitive price, especially compared to genuine. But it does mean you save that hassle of having to turn off that safety system from through the menu. So that's a little bit of insight in regards to that. We're getting into it. We're looking forward to getting the job all completed. Okay, the finished product, the big reveal, because I know you guys have been waiting. You guys have been blowing up my phone, being like, oh, what's happening to that Mitsubishi Triton? What's happening with the Triton? What's happening? Relax. We're about to go through it. All right, started from the bottom, if you will. BTA tow bar, fitted with the electrics, lovely 7-pin flat plug, 3.5 ton towing, lifetime warranty on the BTA tow bars. They've got these anti-rattle and anti-pinch, anti-theft, I guess anti-pinch as well. Tongues, locking tongues, so you have to actually unlock these before you can actually pull the tongue out. Look at that, you hear that rattling? No, that's because it's an anti-rattle hitch pin. All right, so that's that. Then moving up to the roller itself. Well, actually, we'll go through the tailgate. Tailgate central locking, fitted, locked, unlocked. Now you're living large, brother. Now you're living large. Right, this is it. Now that your tailgate central locking, the sky's the limit. All right, moving up to the electric roller shutter. One here, that's it. Now everything is controlled by your remotes, right? You turn it on, you turn it off. If only you could do that to your wife, but that's all right. You don't have to worry about the missus. Come over here. At the very least, have your roller be electric, your tailgate be electric. You got that? John, show them. Show the people. Integrated LED light, nice big hoses, obviously, making sure that you're draining away all the water. Look at all the water over there, John. Look at all that water testing happening, brother. Right, boom. Stay hydrated, especially on a hot day like this. You got to stay cool. Sorry. Tub dry. Look at the tub. It's dry. Right. Man. All right, easy enough. So there's that. That's that. What else was there? Let me look at the paper. Brief intermission to look at the paper. This Mitsubishi MV Triton, done and dusted, with a level of workmanship that only you guys can dream of. Right, in your dreams. I know that's what you guys dream about. Workmanship. Right, out of all the things to dream about. Another fancy feature. Right, look at this. You're just hanging out, chatting to shorties. But you're good. But you're absolutely fine. Should I demonstrate that again, John? I'll demonstrate that again, all right? All right, boom, you're kicking it. Right. You're telling people about your crypto portfolio. We do. We all get caught up in the, boom. Look at it roll back just like that. Safety first. That's what I started when I started Oz Canopies at 4x4. That's what I said. I said safety first. All right, and then I fell through some pallet racking. Anyway, that's an aside. Another job well done. So we may as well get to the shit that he's doing.